channel. Today is Tuesday, March 9th, and on Sunday, March 7th, TULOX from Twins of Twins uploaded his video titled Silent Raver on Deep, which give him 2 cents on Silent Raver, Ding Dong, Mr. Vegas, and the police that went viral. Now today video is going to be Mr. Vegas answering to what 2 cents had to say, which if you'd like, before you actually know what Mr. Vegas has to say, you can go ahead and watch TULOX video into its entirety so you can have an idea of what or where Mr. Vegas is coming from. Alright, 2 cents never said anything wrong. All 2 cents was he never agreed with Mr. Vegas' point of view of what took place with Silent, being that him hear what Silent did in the video. And even if you're into that brat or something, then why would one do what he did in the video? Alright, so I'm gonna play Mr. Vegas have to say a thing, but again, check out what TULOX have to say before if you haven't seen it, and then you can listen to what Mr. Vegas have to say. And don't just watch TULOX based on the video. Over in channel really nice. I'm gonna miss a video. Really wise me and him ears. Alright, anyway, on to the video. Catch you in the next one.
The man will see the glory when I don't know my story.
Black shadow.
Come to make it without family. The wicked and the light see me greatness. Once you want me brother, you're my brother, you're my brother for life.
Heal up. Log in on the live. We have an interesting piece of reasoning in the evening. See? Yeah. I bust them in.
The man will see the glory
Ready?
when I don't know my story.
Black shadow.
Come to make it without family. See me greatness. Once you want me brother, you're my brother, you're my brother for life. Once you want me sister, you're my sister, you're my sister for life. Me no keep friend, you're my brother, you're my brother for life. Me no keep friend, you're my sister for life. Now everybody sing, my sister, my brother. We ain't been through the storm, through the weather. Stick together like birds of a feather. Nobody can say we ever sell out each other. Look out for one another, we no beggar. We ain't high success, no measure. A real community, we show the treasure. Some of them get blood pressure when them see we doing better. We see the glory, but them don't know my story. Them don't know my story, them don't know my story. No time me did I look ahead story, but true me know me family did I go worry. Me have to learn to fight for dirty and throw me. No a blessing Jah pour me. Me stay humble and so mama grow me. Once you want me brother, you're my brother, you're my brother for life. Once you want me sister, you're my sister, you're my sister for life. Me no keep friend, you're my brother for life. Me no keep friend, you're my sister for life. You have some friend when I'm happy, say you're happy. Them will bust your head with a double shotty. Them not real, them a carbon copy. And dirty and black like Blue Mountain coffee. That's a me know different thing, cause some of them are zombie. Gonna prison should you kill your friend for your candy. But me family me different like a vigilante. Food in a store, house and it plenty. Once you want me brother, you're my brother, you're my brother for life. Once you want me sister, you're my sister, you're my sister for life. Me no keep friend, you're my brother for life. Me no keep friend, you're my sister for life. Now everybody sing, my sister, my brother. We ain't been through the storm, through the weather. Stick together like birds of a feather. Nobody can say we ever sell out each other. Look out for one another, we no beggar. We ain't high success, no measure. A real community, we show the treasure. Some of them get blood pressure when them see we doing better. Them man will see the glory when I know my story. Come to make it without family. The wicked and the light see me greatness.
Now, we have a reason I even have seen, cause we see everybody I put out them 2 cents. And of course, everybody have their own opinion. But we already see what some people are trying to accomplish when they put out them 2 cents. You see what I say? So choose where they try to accomplish, and we know say, yo, intelligence and civil reasoning greater than quarrel. You understand what I say? Yeah. So we just have a civil discourse with the item of the evening. You see what I say? Because them maybe think say education did a dash wrong, we never try to get none. Or intelligence did a dash wrong, we never try to get none. But them realize say we're in the era now where everybody educate themselves. You see what I say? Everybody educate themselves. See? So we already see where them a try. And them a try for years and it now work, and them still a try. And it's like
this battery is going to die soon.
yeah, me try to. You fine?
No, because I wanted to go back to the original page to see.
Yes, so I say Imhotep. So we see them a try pussyfoot around some issues, and I try tiptoe. Like them want to say something and them a tiptoe off his side. And we see straight through the reason I don't know. So, you know, what them a try to say. But it's like people don't understand, you know. People don't understand so he's a very outspoken youth because I'm sure of myself. I'm confident in myself. I'm sure of myself. That's why I'm an outspoken youth. Nobody can put forward no form of information and say, yo, see it there. So all the talk when them talk for years, I'll know nobody can ever come and say, yo, see something here. So that means that Uno is like the fool. We keep knocking at the same door and it now open, now Uno still a knock. You see what I say? Uno are like some idiots, some fools. We are knock on the same door for years because for years we not knock on them door there. On that door there and the door now open. And Uno still a knock. So Uno a fool. Uno just come and go like Uno have sense and go like Uno wise. You understand what I say? Uno come and go like Uno have sense. But Uno have no sense. Not even 2. You see? Not even 2 cents Uno don't have. Uno don't have. Uno just come and go like Uno smart and we sit through Uno long time and know so Uno don't have no sense. You see that? No. None.
I don't know why, because I can see how to go live on my...
No. Go to your phone, actually. No. You're reasoning now. You're the reasoning now, my general. I'm a people. You're the reasoning now. You see, your platform we have, where you're privileged for use because of Facebook and YouTube organizers them. Instagram organizers them. We're privileged for use them platform here. And everybody entitled to them own opinions. You understand what I say? So if you have your opinions them, are your opinions them. You see? So just like how me can go on my Facebook and my Instagram and reason, Uno can go on Facebook and Instagram and reason, and at the end of the day it's just an opinion. Uno have. See? No. All of the man them, or most of the man them we see out there talk about them straight. And them not shaky. And I call people shaky. We never check them reasoning. We never check them reasoning and hear how them reason and implicate themselves. Just check them reasoning. Them love come and talk about who no shaky and who shaky, you know. And who fit dead because who shaky fit dead and kind of thing. But check them reasoning. Let me tell you something as a man. We're not shaky. You see a man we're not shaky? No man can't send no video come game. With no man a man I do nothing. Get that in on your head. You say if you have video on your phone, with man a man I do things, you're shaky, you know. Now, let's say somebody send you a video for watch with man and man do things. And you have that video done on your phone because you claim so you want to expose people and you want to post the video. See? Suppose your phone lost. Suppose your girl broke in your phone. Suppose you left your phone and go in the bathroom and your girl pick up your phone and see you have man in your phone and do things. What your girl did that think? So me hear no reasoning, but me realize no reasoning half key. So me just make you talk and kill yourself. No reasoning way out a key. It's not even the nowhere near the key. When I want to go music school. If you're straight, you're not supposed to have no man. I'll lay with no man or do nothing to no man in your phone. Go through the phone, people. Go through the phone. Go through the phone. See my phone here? Picture. I can scroll through it fast. No shaky thing no can go in this. No man can in my phone. And none of my friends them can send me that. No girl can send me that. None of my woman them can send me that. Because them know say that wrong. For them send it to me. Them know say them get fire. Straight. So my female friends them, my brethren them know say them can't send that to me. When song start send me pictures. And I send me video, girl. Straight girl. Fat girl, slim girl, maga girl, tall girl, wave, all kind of girl. Spanish girl, English girl, Japanese girl, big girl. None of my friends them can send me no video or no picture with no man I do nothing.
I think they probably block you or something because it's not there.
Get it down the head. So you say if you have a video or a picture in a your phone with man I do things, you're shaky. So you can't point no finger upon nobody.
Look, it's my phone.
Yeah,
It's not.
just update something come on. Alright. You see, I just talk and make a bag of noise and I load up on yourself, you know. You just load up on yourself and we just go on a rope to hang on yourself. Because who not reach? Dunce people. I dunce people who not reach, you know. People who not educated who not reach, you know. Because we not read people who can reason on a rational level or on a logical level. So we just make a bag of noise and of course there's a market for it. There's a market for it. So of course, we don't look like we not win. But where we not win? Me no want a man come to me say them straight and I tell me say them have video in them phone with man do things. You're not straight. Or you feel straight and man in your phone. Then suppose you go through immigration and them take your phone from you. You think you can't tell the immigration when the immigration don't know you? Suppose your phone lost. Suppose somebody broke in your phone. You can't go tell people about say, no man, somebody did send it to me. No. They might go say you have fish. Ain't it so? Next thing. Why is it that so much of you interested, so much of you as man? Why so much of you interested in a little youth where them say the transgender, the tranny, they on video with and claim say una straight people. Una say una straight. And I little nobody, me never know that youth, me artist, me sing dancing song, and me don't know the youth. And because me see the hypocrisy, let me speak on it. And because me see no found shaky and I call the youth shaky, let me speak on it. And because me see no found I say fish for dead, but you have the most fish friend. And if I want to say fish for dead, I want to take things from fish. So I just point out on the hypocrisy. And I point out the fact, say, a little tranny or a little transvestite, whatever it is. I always go around and I try to trick the artists, them and I try to trick people. And me point out the fact that this have nothing to do with the youth that ding dong them after. Because them a try tear down ding dong thing. And uno continue the story, and every time uno talk about the story, uno add ding dong name in it because uno try bring down ding dong long time. Because uno think say when have him not deserve it. Because uno not have him as the baddest DJ. Uno not have him as the baddest lyricist. So this is a pass and gone a long time if you never attach ding dong name to it. I mean, I show the people and say, I trap them, I try set for the youth. So I don't have a problem with that. No. Some man, like Curly Locks, so interested in the story that he might forget a girl. If go watch the video and come tell him what the youth a do. Remember saying, I talk to the youth, you know. And talk to the youth mother and the youth grandmother, you know. I say, youth, me no business if you're straight or whatever you are. Your lifestyle that. But you didn't know say our man? He said no. He said, you think I want girl? Boom. I say, yo, there's something, trick him. See? What I don't want to find the definition of trick like a Curly Locks I do, I try to find what is the definition of trick. I run with you now, run with because the claim say me no fit talk on the subject here because Curly Locks, according to Curly Locks, my name I call upon shaky things so much years now, so me no fit talk on the subject here. My brethren, me can't talk on them things here because I'm sure of myself. Are you are for sure of yourself, brother? Because up to this point, me no want to see the video and me no want to hear about it. Me no want to hear the details of the video. Me ask the youth say for him said them a put out all kind of video and then him in a some of the video them when them a put out. He say him in a bathroom, the something asked me if him ever get brought out yet and him say no. He said no, him never get no brought out yet and there's something whatever happen. Me say yo, that's something they always a try trick people. Boom. Me say hold on boy ya. We are born out the youth. We support people who sing say they get brought out. We support bad man. Whether in a video say them are going to get brought out. I mean hear the thing them. I want to hear the thing them. I want to not say nothing. So I'm a hypocrite. Me a real bad man boy in a video, you know. I say them are going to get brought out. I want to not say nothing. Because if you don't say nothing, I want to get lick out. Because I'm afraid. Because I look like a weak fence now if you try tear down. And no found a bad man friend a fish. But you can't talk about it. Better yet, you can't talk about a bad man friend them where kill off and rape like a pitney and bag of things boy. And kill off innocent people boy. Because I'm afraid. Because morals only stop this up. Which part you say it will stop? Or immorality. He just stop push part you say it will stop in a one little circle. In a gay people circle, immorality stop. It's not evil for bad man and no friend them, and no gunman friend them, and no Dan friend them, and kill off innocent people. You can't talk about them. But when you see a like a weak fence now, we're going on a video and say make a mistake, I don't want to kill him. I don't want to take it and run with like a gospel. So because me talk on it and because people say me shaky. That give you, that extenuate your reason if you come talk about yo Vegas, you can't talk about them things because people are calling your name for shaking this long time. But brother, you don't realize it. When I say long time, I'm still there, so I'm still prosperous, I'm still I survive. And none of you can't say, yo, see something here. None of you. That for sure say, well, when I try now work. I want to just come spill in the gut when things occur. When you just come spill in the gut and make me know say that you not think. Now you Curly Locks. You are claim say, me shaky. Our people are saying me shaky, so me shouldn't talk on the video. But you straight and you get a girl according to your words. You get a girl if you go watch the video. If you come tell you what the youth are do. That not straight, me done. That not straight, me done. Me not want to know them details, my general. That not straight, me done. So where you try planting in your mind? Because I'm not saying no girl go investigate when a man do to themselves. I'm not interested, my general. I'm not interested in that. So what, you send a girl go watch it and she come back and she give the description. What she said to you? Oh, she tell everything what the youth do and what he do to himself. For real? Or you just tell you say one girl you send go watch it because for you come out so strong. If you come out so strong, you know, my general. Listen, you know, my general. You come out strong, you know. And wrong, you know. And you come out strong and wrong, you know. I claim say you send a girl go watch it, you know. But we know can't say, yo, maybe you download it. Because you come out strong. You come like you see it. Me see some people are comment under your post because you know say me watch your 2 cents them. Zin? I say me miss for that one. Me see some people are comment under your post and I say, yo, me see the video. Some man a comment under your post. Under your straight post. Some man a comment and I say, yo, me see the video. That don't look good, my general. Because you know a promote now say the youth that do them things that to himself and more of your male fans them or whoever they are. Now them a go watch the video and come back come tell us say, yeah man, me see it, man, me see it. The boy shake if it's true. Well, come on, Bridget. Let me tell you the problem with you, man. I'm not sure on yourself, man. I'm not sure on yourself, man. You know what I say? Yeah. You see, me get to understand that earlier, people. Me get to understand that earlier. You see? Sometimes some people were shaky or supporting her indirectly. So it come like say, if we not go take that approach, yeah, we not go live on Mars, you know. Them have rockets that go up there now, tie a rocket on the back. Because in the music business where all I want to be a part of. We not denounce people from some of the organization them we don't have to deal with. We not denounce sponsors we don't have to deal with. We not denounce certain departments we don't have to deal with. We don't have to denounce people who do interview boy we don't have to deal with. We don't do interviews with. You have a pastor brother we always go around and a burn out gay people and a bonfire upon gay people. If they are prison now for molest a little youth. You see what I'm saying? If you're not so interested in how the youth did that do to himself. See? I don't want to continue the conversation. See? Just make the people them know, man. So yeah, that's not interest there. My interest not there. So you know my interest there? My interest there to make some money to take care of my 7 youth them. This is my interest there. I just come and socialize with the people them. On that platform, I come socialize with the people them. So what I want to say, yo, no man if you try set up the youth. Just up like girl and set up the youth. Because it's something try to do to other people. Then I set up on my platform. If you don't feel that way there, are your rights that you know? You know if you agree with me. But when you come try bring up about oh people did that say Vega shaky. Please. Then I sure say me not even care what people are saying me general. I don't know if you understand you know. Because I know say me straight down the whole out know. Facts. Facts. I want to know too. But another the problem. Or the success. Another type problem. Because the things that I don't deserve, not what I have. And from day one, I make that known. You see? From day one, I make that known, man. But you're interested in a gay business. So don't stop going on a hypocrite, man. A gay thing you're interested in. I'm not interested in that. You see me I say? I just point out the hypocrisy and done. Who want to take it and run with it and say me I defend gay people? Want me take a picture with gay people when I go to show? Yeah, man. You never know. Ratted. When I go and show them and I see gay people and they want to take picture, I take picture with them. Then buy me music too and come and show them too. Wow, when I go to one concert, go perform. I want to go play out. If gay people at the party, I go start the party and tell them come out. I don't do that because I don't love money. I don't love things. I don't do that. Pete Buttigieg are the transportation minister. Minister of transportation or whatever. in America right now. We're not going to stop you driver's license because I am in control of the department then. No, we don't want to drive. So indirectly, we all benefit from people where we don't burn out. We don't need to calm down, man. Sure on yourself, man. Sure on yourself. Sure on yourself. You see what I say? And if you not go take that approach there, go live in a mountain. We don't have to even deal with nobody in a society. Yeah. You see what I say? So it simply means say, me don't really care what you want to say. Because you want to try to defend the thing where I try set up the youth, where we try set up the youth and then have a video. Wait, tell me what it look like. You want to say intelligent. There's something I ask the youth if he never get brighter yet. Then a phone, line up video the youth, then come put out statement, then come put out video, then call ding dang name, then talk about them 1,000 US. You know, she says a setup. So me says a setup. So if you not agree says a setup, just say you not agree says a setup. If you want to say the youth official, the youth straight, I hear business that. Me not care what him is, either way. Him not impact my life, either way. I mean not saying for dead, either way. Understand that. But I think someone can focus or use the same energy. I think one can use the same energy and go after some people who really hurt society. I think say all union curly locks. We have your 2 cents something. I think say you can be more. You can use your platform and be more impactful in a society because we still not talk about the little pitney them we missing and the little pitney them we get molested and raped, boy. Yeah. Right now we're in a pandemic and the most children are getting raped and molested because we're in a pandemic and most of the children them they home. I want to research them things. They don't want to research about bottom. You want to send girl go investigate when man are doing in bottom, my youth. When if you go investigate how much children get molested since the pandemic, what the rate? How much it increased by? And that too, if that little youth here when nobody no know, me not even know the youth. So important to uno. That means that uno not interested in the things that will impact society. And that you don't care about, you not deal with semantics. Uno just go and come bright and uno go up and do interview and people say uno sound intelligent. Uno don't have no intelligence, uno are dunce. Wrong man. Because we don't spend so much time on research where really impact society, where impact on the society where we live in. We just see a video with them with that little girl I get our brother or whosoever, them say almost a 15-year-old and look on the video, you see some little youth with the most guns. But when you come and make video about a send girl, go check a man bottom. Because at that you know, the only reason why me even talk about this now because me show hypocrisy again and me show illiteracy and me show dumbness. That's why me even because me think say you did import, me think say you did intelligent curly locks, but you only look likes. I like see I look me done. You know really I try impact society in a positive way. I like see I look. We are come boss people that say me shaky. I like see I look me done. But now you cloud up your imagination with somebody where you say the man, where you say, me don't know when you sit down and pre them thing there no general. The man I give the description how the youth are doing himself. And then when I say on the street, brethren, me not interested in that. Me want to know why them little youth are want to go in a broad daylight for camera pick them up. So them can go kill one of them brother in front of a little girl or a little boy. We are going to traumatize for the rest of him or her life. Where them little youth are on camera. And them little youth are going to end up in a prison. And the cycle continues. Because when them go in a prison, what happen? Them are going to put them in a prison or put them in a confinement with other criminals, quote unquote criminals. We are going to basically teach them how to be better criminals. Then I go take them and send them go to school. Then I go take them and put them in places where them can get education and come back and come be better role models in a society. Then I go take them, if them catch them, and put them where? Among other quote-unquote criminals, so them can come back and continue and be better criminals.
It's TULOX, not criminal.
Sorry, TULOX, curly locks. My apology, my brother. My apology. But, sorry, my brother. Now, you can double down. TULOX me attack. Sorry, curly locks. Yeah. So TULOX, me think so you did more intelligent than that, brother. Me never know say you're a research man, bottom me done. Me not interested in that, my youth. For you come make a whole video on that about where the man a play with himself. That's why you're interested. That's why you're interested after we have you as intelligent, my youth. My interest on that, so. Me not send a girl go research where the youth are do to himself. Me not send a girl go research how we can reach the Prime Minister. How we can reach the Minister of Security. How we can reach the youth them. And that's my head them done. Me reach out to the youth because them say the youth want to do things to himself or want to go kill people or whatever. And that's why me reach out to the youth, you know. And talk to him mother and his grandmother. I done that story a long time done. So me I say if you not go kill him, kill Alkaline them too. And go kill Shabba them too. We say mama man duck and kiss up my bottom when you're coming up. But you never did say nothing. So now come go on now. Like at the first you the one brought a boy. Oh, whether it's a man or a woman, yo, no man nothing turn the bottom of one bag of things. So when you turn, you not get brought on a toe? On a finger? So level the playing field. Or go. And likes when I looking at me now look likes me I try to be more educated and me I try to see how me can use my platform and make some people start think logical and make some people start realize how that really run. How that really run by people who create religious factors and people who create implemented things to make the youth them continue the cycle. And that's in my head there, you know. To make the little youth them know say, yo, I work with the people and we are oppressed we, you know. And that's in my head there, you know. You think say, when him simple or silent ravers, whatever you want him, you think say him. You think say me talking about him I go change the crime rate in Jamaica? I'm not an idiot, man. You don't have no sense, man. But you show say you're shallow. You're shallow. TULOX. Wake up, me dan. I drop your job asleep, you know. And I come go and come with a little semantics. And I go and intelligent. Go away. And wake up. Because we have you more intelligent than that. Go away. And we are try fool boy at TULOX. Go away. Wake up. You ever make a whole video and talk about them something there? Make a whole video and talk about the crime rate in Jamaica and how we can solve it. And that more you have to do with the platform. And mix up your depan, me dan. And mix up your depan. You can put up a whole video and talk about me and Shaky and the youth bottom and them something there. And look where going on Jamaica. Look what is going on in Jamaica. You better they come talk about how the government has locked down the place. And people are suffer. And it don't make no sense. Because COVID still quote unquote dangerous at night time. And still dangerous at daytime. But when you say in a day you can go where you want, go in at night if you go to your bed. And them things don't come talk about. And find ways on you can solve them things there. But you do that talk about that, me dan. So I say, you get a platform and use it wise, me dan. And stop going like you're dunce. You don't look at semantics. Go away. Because right now, you know, it's a batty man mind you have right now, you know, me done. You have to understand that, you know, batty up your mind, you know. Understand that TULOX. A fish, you go fish up your mind, me done. You go send girl go watch video and come tell you what in a video. You cloud up your imagination. That now is stored in your long-term memory. That's why you could remember everything and come talk it on your platform. You stored it in your long-term memory. You stored a man a play with himself or whatever in your long-term memory. You're gonna remember that for the rest of your life. So now you have a gay long-term memory. A fish long-term memory. You're not straight, madam. So you can't point no finger because your long-term memory is now corrupted by what you send someone to come and tell you. Oh, so what? So when did I do? I lie. So when put him finger? Then when did him finger? I lie. For real? So when did then? Inside we are long. When me turn? So him turn off. Now your memory is clouded by the same thing you are trying to fight. So when you come up like intelligent and all of them things, they come use analogies. Boss say, yo, let's say I'm gonna get tricked. And somebody send somebody, a FBI go find somebody. No, me general. The fact that you can come pass back the information to your fans them. That means it in your long-term memory. Is it I forgot it? If you never see it, it's gone. You wouldn't even know about it. You let us say, yo, you let us come to that video and say, yo, I'm in the business and nobody can trick me. If that you do the pan video turn out himself or whatever, you're not straight. Argument done. You have to do a whole video about that. You have to do a whole video about that, me done. You have to do a whole video about that. Just say, yo, I totally would respect your stance. If you just come forward and say, yo, whether man or woman on the video, if a man show himself to whatever, and show him bottom, the man not straight. Me can't argue with that, me done. Because me not have a fight whether the man straight or in bend. And that are the objective, me done. You are just from a subjective, approaching it from a subjective concern mind. I was trying to be objective in the reasoning, but you wouldn't understand that because you are dunce. Go ahead. On the page come say, yo, the man not straight, and I tell me say him watch the video. You can't straight if you watch the video, my general. You're not supposed to in your phone, man. Understand that. Fusion, the only way you can know if me a Batman, unless you're a Batman, you'd have to know say somebody a Batman if you're a Batman. You have to understand that, my general. And you have that in understanding. You say, you're shallow, man. You're shallow, my general. Or whatever you are. You're shallow, man. Shallow, man. Uno just want to get likes, man. The likes you look, man. Uno go up on the next page. Uno realize that them things not hurt me. Uno realize, man. Uno no sense, man. Uno no sense. The only reason why you TULOX can come get any form of likes from your video is because you try to tie Vegas and try to tie whosoever else ding dong or whatever to the conversation. Because nobody not even know the youth. You know what you do. I just say intelligence stop. But it's still a fact that now you have a long-term fish memory. from as long as you live, you have a member, say a girl you give the description of where a man do to himself. Me don't want to know that, brother. And you have stored that in your memory, my general. That's you can't come tell the people about it. So hopefully, the next video you're gonna make, it's not gonna be about me. And the next video I'm gonna make is not gonna be about you, because we have bigger problems, my general. Bigger problems. I mean, no, see the news. Me know, see the news. We have bigger problems, youth. We have overcrowded prisons. What they call rehab. And them rehab the youth them with seasoned quote unquote criminals to teach them how to be better criminals and then send them back into society. Because they benefit from the system, the prison system, the private people them, and the funeral homes, and all of them benefit from the youth them who kill off themselves, and the youth them so stupid, them a walk with this one bag of gun and they on video camera and I show themselves on video and all kind of things and them take video show how much gun them have and all of them things there. And artists are get world with gun and artists are, come on, we have bigger problems than that. How is it that we don't make no video for the artists them where get catch with gun? And talk to them and say, yo, you can't mix badness with music, you know. You're unafraid. Because none of them artists nowadays are bad man. I'm unafraid. You're a bitch. Who? You're not trick nobody, boy. A different era this. Another thing is, if somebody thinks me shaky and you're there on my page, you're not straight. That's the next thing too. If you think me shaky and you're there on my page, you're not straight. Because I now know if somebody shaky and they're on the page. You see me there on Shibata on the page? Never. 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 So if you see me shaky, or you're there on my page, wait until somebody take the video and post it, you go comment. That means that you're not straight. You see that? So you're confused. And that's the problem, you know. You're confused. You not even know what understand. You don't want to understand, you know. You not catch me past somebody page was shaky. You know how much I want to read the comments them. I see the bloggers them put up the videos them. I say, you know for a man. I say, yeah man, I fish that. Me see the video. You know fish. Yeah man, I fish that. Me see the video. Yeah, fish. About the boy that me see the video. Yeah, fish. You me watch the video and it don't look good. Yeah, fish. Understand that. You just want to learn some style. And you can't try tricky people in that style, yeah, look. A training, yeah, look. A training ground, you go. If you send a girl, go watch that. You and worse if you're a girl. Why would I send my woman? Go watch gay porn. What? Why? You idiot? You idiot? Me here, you know. Me here somehow on a boss say you know a video with man and man. I want to give full description. I want to have video on the phone with man and man do things. I want to talk about people not straight. Come on, I want to not fool nobody. Is it? No, trick nobody, man. A style and I look style. Go ahead. So me now go follow Uno and crucify the youth. You say if him straight, if him bend, up in business that me now follow Uno and jump on a wagon, Uno, go ahead. Because I said me I go burn him, me I go burn a Shabbat. Know that. The biggest loose song that ever make. I want to not say nothing. Because Shabbat the king. Go away. You say me I go burn him? Me I go burn all alkaline them we have about them one brata. Go away. I want to get brata. I want to tour. No skin on the skin out. Go away. But it's true for them thing that and for them business. We don't business. But on a selective. On a selective. We'll find a weak fence now so we can get some likes. And in order for to get the likes, we have to draw who we night. We have to draw ding dong them night. Go away. No, not trick nobody. Facts. You see me I say? Facts. So I'm sure about myself. Me don't need you for sure about me. That you have to understand too, you know. Me don't need you for sure about me. Me sure about me. The people them in my circle, them know me. But me sure about me. Understand that. Always remember that. Get that now no crane them when you not try style. You TULOX, when you try style, remember say me sure about me. I'm sure say me no want no girl go watch no man do nothing to themselves and come tell me. Go with that. I'm sure say nobody can send me no video. But you no know say you not even supposed to watch them thing they wanna come at about girl. Watch it and tell you no. The bad imitate the voice. Go TULOX. And you can try tricky people who come about say girl go, oh, me not really watch them thing there, you know, me not really watch them thing there with your finger gesture them. Me not really watch them thing there, you know, me not really watch them thing there. A girl watch it and tell me. Why girl I come tell you about batty things for? Go away. A weak fence you can run up on boy, you know, you can't run up on intelligence boy, you know, go away. I want to tell girl watch it and a girl watch it and tell you, know, what the difference? Indirectly you watch it. The fact you come make a whole video about it, see a girl tell you say a man a play with himself. That's it. A girl watch a porn and come tell you. You know, say you lose me then. You pass, you right now, just the fact say, you come out and try to be strong and mighty, you end up like a little fish. That you have to understand TULOX. You end up like a little sprat, me dan. The fact say you come out and be so strong and mighty, you end up like a little sprat. Because you are talking about you're going to make y'all watch people, man play with themselves. I mean, no, why you tell the girl go watch it? Because you hear say a man play with themselves, don't it? So what you want? You want to learn to TULOX, the better than that, man. You know, wrong fence, madam. And you know that too. You know that too, TULOX. I run you there try. You know that. I run you there try TULOX. Go try one of them idiot the way illiterate, madam. Go try somebody else. Intelligence turn up over here, so madam. Education and knowledge and wisdom. Go away. How are you TULOX? You think of what? You think of back in the days when one artist bright? And one artist got school. Go sit down here, madam. Go with that. Because you couldn't hear, say, you hear the argument that go around, and you are send a girl go investigate batty things. Send a girl go investigate how we can solve crime. Send a girl go investigate how we can make Jamaica into a better society. That you need to send a girl go investigate. Or send a girl go to school. So that means that me can't tell none of my girls for sure say some waste people who surround themselves with, you know. And some waste people that are going intelligent boy and TULOX. Who are surrounding themselves with people who are shallow. Because I could have never called none of my female friends, none of my girls, nobody. I said, go watch a video and what the man there do to himself. And come tell me. My sister them, you don't look at me and say, so why you want to know where going on in the video? You know, sister, just I need to think about, say me miss, to defend the youth. Just think about the TULOX. TULOX, think about it, because you see you're intelligent, madam. You see you're intelligent, and what kind of females you are surround yourself with to go watch man and play with themselves and come tell you. Then that's so you have she. Then that means that your birds of a feather flock together. That means your circle will fix, madam. Your circle have no vibe, no good vibration. Your circle corrupted. Your energy wrong, your mind, your energy wrong. Try come at some little done said artist when I have no sense, me dan. Me rub you out. No, come try use intelligence for me, dan. Me rub you out. Your circle wrong, me dan. Your energy wrong. Your transfer wrong energy. You can't send no decent, intelligent, educated woman and then sitting there whatever you want to mix you up with. Hard-working, successful, ambitious woman go watch that little foolishness there. You think somebody could have called any one of my sisters and them say, girl, go watch that boy there do himself. I want to make a video about it. Then they say, excuse me? Were you speaking to what? Me call my sister and I say, yo, you know, say, me have a paper you have to write. It a deal me wicked enough. Oh, let me see if I can help you with it. Okay, I'm getting off work at 5 o'clock. Yeah, me don't deal with them people in my circle, me youth. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting off in 15. I'm getting off work in 15 minutes or in another half an hour. I'll see when I get home. Oh, as a matter of fact, I may be busy tonight, but tomorrow I'll try and help you. I'm calling up some people in a government and I say, yo, what I do to fix the sex registry? Because a man like I'll answer when molest people pick me a foreign and come to Jamaica, come and go around with children. That's supposed to happen because the sex registry won't fix because it's too loose. And them things and them type of people I surround myself with. Or me I link with people who want to invest in a real estate. That's me head there. Me can't call business. You think, as a matter of fact, I surround myself with lawyers and doctors and educators. Stop come go at your bright TULOX. You're dunce. You're one of the biggest dunce. If you gonna make something like that and come and go on like you pump us with it. Boy! And you know, so me that boy, me talk now when I see around the road, me hear the same way, I just some mistake, me just stop my mind and done. If you want to continue to continue, God go with you. But stop going like you're dunce. Come on, the semantics are going like you're idiot. I want to play TULOX, so sit down, man. Wrong approach. Fix your mind and come. Take it out your long-term memory. Because it's stored in your long-term memory. Okay? Yeah. That's not in our long-term memory. That. Not even, right now, we don't talk about you, and it's in my short-term memory. Yeah. So I'm going to forget about this conversation as soon as me hang up. You see that? So go try a little semantics with somebody else, me that. Wrong approach. Wrong youth you try me that. Go ahead. No, sister, health is my passion. No, them not get to me now. I educate me, I teach me, I try to teach him. You can't get to me. No. I try to teach him. Hopefully, he's gonna take heed and adhere to what me I say. But because them, what you call it now, them so proud, them you know want to listen to me still because them have me as a idiot. I used to have me as an idiot, but them have a wake up call coming. Yeah.
Once you want me brother, you're my brother till life. Once you want me sister, you're my sister till life. We don't keep friends, you're my brother till life. We don't keep friends, you're my sister till life. My sister, my brother. We've been through the storm for the weather. We together like birds of a feather. Nobody can say we ever sell out each other. soon you see we share the treasure. Some of them get blood pressure when them see we do it better. See the girls, them don't know my story, them don't know my story, them don't know my story. No time me did I look ahead story, but me have to sacrifice so don't see that from me. No, I'm blessing job.
The fact say you even come on the line.
Yo, me G.
Hold on. My life. So first and foremost, I'm going to start it off respectfully. Is we not have the conversation. So
Yo, me G.
Hello? Yo,
me G.
Yo.
You hear me?
Yeah, me, I
Yeah,
hear
man,
you.
me there.
Yeah, hear me?
Alright, what? Where are you, boss?
Okay. Alright. Yeah, what you saying I coming? Come and see a type of bag of things. What you say?
No, what me I say? Me I say Shibada. I say more than what Shibada say about you. So Shibada is robot.
But me no,
Shibada do
you
what
hear Shibada? You hear Shibada say that?
Yeah, man. Me can play it too.
You have Shibada in your phone?
No, me tape a piece of conversation. And he must
Okay,
say,
so yeah.
he must say, yeah.
Hold on. Take time. So you hear Shibada and you tape a piece of Shibada in your conversation in your phone?
No, because of what him say about you. Because he must say.
Alright, so regardless. Me just ask you. So you have Shibada conversation, where you record Shibada conversation on your phone?
Yeah, she said he will give somebody.
So you circulate what Shibada said to other people. Who you saying go give?
No, hold on, man. Me and Bridget have a discussion about it.
Answer. Hold on. Who you saying go give?
Hold on.
No,
Me and Bridget
answer
have a
first now.
discussion about it.
You and a brother have a discussion about Shibada. I said something.
No,
and
about you.
Shibada.
About you.
Hold on, Shibada. Yeah,
No, about you.
Listen first. So you have somebody a reason about what Shibada said about Vegas, right?
Yeah.
So Shibada is a fish, according to where him a put forward, see?
Straight.
No. Him can't be a straight fish. So Shibada basically
He was straight. He was fish.
right. So you know say him a fish, right?
Yeah.
And you record a piece of conversation with him and having your phone to send go give next man.
Hold on, listen, I go.
No, I just answer that. Just answer that and then continue. Just answer that first. You have to explain.
All right, yes.
First. Okay, continue.
A man say something about it be a gay thing when I talk about youth. I mean, I say, why you say you don't watch a video and you are different man? Say, man, tell me, say, Shibada said this, instead of coming to me, I say, Shibada say, Vegas and a man.
Who they talk?
Their hotel.
Call me again. Say their hotel. So me I say, so Vegas. That's why Vegas pick up 3 months, so that's what we have.
Okay. So you find something. So you know Shibada did say so. Shibada did say so.
The way man say me man. Me no hear man live.
Somebody send you Shibada and say that?
Yeah. Me can't send it come to you.
So and you are sending it to somebody or somebody are sending it to you.
Somebody send it to me and tell me.
Okay.
I mean video.
Well, let me get this straight. Because this sound like when some girl link up on a gossip. So let me get this straight.
Vegas.
Well, I could get this straight. Cause you sound like you're a man, right? So
yeah.
How old you are?
45.
You're 45. How much children you have?
3 boy.
3 boy picnic.
Yeah.
And somebody, and what kind of work you do?
Work with a rental company.
What's your occupation?
Work at a rental company.
What's your occupation? Where you do wash the car them?
It no matter. Me just work.
No, me not discriminate. No. Me not say nothing. Me not. Trust me, no. Me just ask you because you say work at a rental company. So
me just
you
pick
wash
up
the car.
No, me just pick up car. Car drop off. Or airport pick them up, drop them at a rental company.
So you're a driver by your occupation. You're a driver for
you can't say that a driver.
Company, right?
Yeah.
And you have 3 youth.
You're right.
And when you and somebody had this conversation,
Repeat what you say again.
when you and the person had this
Phone
conversation,
disconnected.
What you
when
say?
you and the person had this conversation,
All right. You know me now here because somebody called in and mess up the phone. What you say again? Somebody call the phone.
Yeah, you hear me now?
What you say?
Are you hearing me now?
Yeah, go on, Vega. Go on.
Yeah, me say when you and the person had this conversation.
What you say?
When you and the person had the conversation.
I don't know why the fuck.
All right.
I don't know why the fucking phone gone down, star. I don't know about phone now.
Hang it up, I'm gonna bring it back on the live. Just hang it up and bring it back. Hang it up, I'm gonna bring it back on the live.
All right, do that.
Yeah, man, you hear me now? Yeah.
All right, you hear me now? Yeah, where's it?
No, hang it up. Hang it up, I'm gonna bring it back on the live. You hear me now? You hear me now? Me now see the feature feed hang up, that's right. What me see so? Me now see feature feed. Oh, see hang up. Alright. As I tell the people, you see, you have to understand the mindset of our quote unquote masculine gender, them, you know. You hear the man say, him and about 3 men that they have, based on what he say, you know. I'm about 3 men that have that conversation there, you know. Where a man send it to him and him send it to a man and he cut it, him actually record it and send it to a man and I say, oh, Shibada say, come on people, come on, yo, for real? You know, yo, me don't know, maybe from a different planet or something, but me think so them think they are some bitch thing, you know. None of my friends them can't cut no video with nobody. I can send me with nobody after about party things. When I not get it. When I not get it. Me not interested in them something there. Me not have the people in my circle are like Imhotep them and dirty them and them man they are like historians. There's so much things for you to learn. Look what things out there to learn. What we have this Shibana voice note. Me just burn a fire upon it because me know say I will want to go like on the street, I want to dep on the page. And then I come out on the street. For somebody with anti-shidi. Come on, people. Come on, yo, una monster. Una need to act like man. We don't need to act like man. We don't stop act like a girl. Not even woman. Yo, first and foremost, we can stop disrespect the woman then. Because I know every woman go around and gossip. So trust me. In a pandemic, a man have 3 youth and find time to cut and paste or cut a shibada conversation to send a next man. Have to justify why Vegas should have said something because the man said about Vegas and said that and he say, she say, he say, she say. Come on, we have to do better, star. We have to do better than that, man. We have to do better than that. See, we are wasting our life away, man. And wasting our life. What could have be so fascinating? What would be so fascinating with me cut another man and say something about another man and I send it go give another man and then you say now is a man that send it come give you? That's too much. And that is the same thing TULOX. Oh, a girl go watch it and come back, come tell me what the man I do, and then me gonna make a video about what the man I do. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. You can't get by that time there, you know. You cannot get by that time there. You not waste your life away, you know. And you not pitney, you not have children. So when you them are going to fall victim to the system. Because you not spend more time and listen to Shibada. You not spend more time and get females to go watch gay porn and come telling them what man I do. Understand that. If you want to learn from this, you can learn from it. If you don't want to adhere to it, go on with your business. Keep doing what you're doing, but let me see how far it can take you. We have such a backward society. We have make some things bad away when not impact society. Because for your friend, now listen to this. Listen to this. I'm a upstairs still I watch driver. Rent a car driver. I'm upstairs still I watch this. Fix your circle, madam. Fix your circle, madam. If your friend I watch or I listen to auntie, whatever they call it, and I send it to you, and you send it to somebody else, your circle will fix. How is that gonna get you anywhere? Sitting, having a discussion about somebody who obviously is doing well for himself in life. How that impact your social location? Explain that. How that make you a better person? How that elevate your social location? That's shaky. Because we don't only have gay people are shaky, you know, people want to say a gay shaky or whatever, do things with them. But we are interested now to the point where we act like TULOX and I go make a whole video and I say him get a girl to go watch man and do man things. And come and make a video and I try bring me in the video about people used to say me shaky. That basically I show to say, we're shallow. We're weak. We're weak. If war start now, them run over we. Because we're weak. Right now, I'm not surprised if the man himself we have a war. I want to come out in a nails and heels because I don't want to go. My confidence enough I want to go like on so straight. I go like on so up there. I go like on so against other people. If war start now, because I don't find things to elevate to yourself. I don't have no militancy. I don't put on a little facade. So if war to start our heels and nails are here, we're going to put on a hide, you know. Yeah. We're not teach the youth them nothing, boy. We're not teach the youth them. What is your objective? If me come forward me and say, yo, wait, a man thing, a film thing, but me the thing says something should I dress up like woman, and I go for everybody pays and I try trick people, I try induce people to accept whatever you put forward. And then you come and show people, say, yo, look here, and me catch somebody. You're a catfish. Trying to catch somebody in your net. On the net. We are telling you them, so listen to me. And of course, whether you have a boy picnic or a girl child, you're supposed to educate a girl child just the same way you educate your boy picnic. Say, yo, nobody go up on the phone, on the internet, and show nobody your private parts and all of them things there. Not just don't show your bam bam, no show nothing. Nobody go up on the internet, go make nobody sending no this and sending no that, we sending no picture and sending no whatever, because now everybody look a viral video. So no educate just your youth them about, oh, don't show your bam bam on the internet. Then your daughter go show her breast or her private part. Because you don't go spend so much time at talk about bam bam. Oh, I'm on when my boy call it TULOX backdoor. Backdoor. While we have little children, little girls, little underage girls, where what? Where man a trick on the internet. And then we hear say they're missing. We put up things, send man picture, send man this, underage little girls, and then you see them viral in a video and give people blowjob. Because we spend all of this time and all of this energy and focus on what? Backdoor. So when you say TULOX, tell him say wrong try. Try somebody else TULOX. You know better than that, my dad. Try somebody else. And in the meantime, do a purge of your long-term memory, my dad. Alright? Purge your long-term memory, my dad. See? Yeah.